माननीय सभासद, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, today, March 22nd, is the World Water Day, a day that is observed to advocate sustainable management of freshwater resources. This year, the United Nations theme for World Water Day is Valuing Water, which highlights the value of water going beyond its mere numerical price. Water has enormous and complex value for our households, food, culture, health, education, economics, and integrity of our natural environment. By overlooking these multidimensional values, we risk mismanaging this finite, irrepressible resource and will be unable to save it for the benefit of everyone and for generations to come. Please, Sanjay, some observation is being made by the chair, so nothing should be there. You can do it later, no problem. With ever-growing population, the demand for water has increased many-fold, fulfillment of which is already putting enormous pressure on our limited natural resources and is eventually degrading the environment. The situation has further been exacerbated by the reckless exploitation and imprudent consumption of water. Conservation of water and preservation of our water resource is of utmost importance for our country, given the fact that our country has 16% of the global population, but only 4% of the world's fresh water. Almost all civilizations had flourished on the banks of rivers, indicating how vital water is for our survival. For us Indians, water is an intrinsic part of our lives and ceremonies from birth to death. We revere rivers as our mothers. The many Vedic hymns like Nadi Sukta and Apa Sukta from Rig Veda, invoking water as the bestower of vigor and strength, the nurture of farmlands, the refreshing presence, and the clean set of both body and the spirit stand testimony to our close association with water. We need to carry this legacy forward by preserving and nurturing our rivers and freshwater resources like lakes, ponds, etc. In line with this year's theme for World Water Day, we also need to acknowledge, at the same time, develop an active consciousness for multi-dimensional value the water holds for us, as it will help us develop a holistic and integrative perspective on water conservation. As parliamentarians, it is our bounden duty to act as role models and trailblazers in water conservation. By adopting sustainable water management practices, both in personal and public life, and sensitize one and all, including water conservation techniques like rainwater harvesting, afforestation of river banks to prevent soil erosion and reduce annual rainwater runoff. I hope the entire House will join me in supporting the conservation of water resources and ensuring judicious use of water so that while fulfilling our needs, enough is left for our future generations. Papers to be laid. I have one appeal to all. Whatever you want to talk, you can complete it before you enter into the House. And whatever you have to talk in the House, that is on subjects where you are permitted, that can be performed here. Other responsibilities can be performed in the lobbies. The lobbies are meant for that purpose also. So keep that in mind. And particularly when the chair is making some observation, it is not fair on the part of anybody to disturb the other man and then when he is keenly hearing the observation. It is not a good thing to follow. Please keep this advice in mind. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan.